Hi everyone. Going to go over the employment background check and the features that it holds. Okay, we do understand that business owners have a lot of responsibilities no matter what industry they're in. There is no room for errors or careless mistakes. The most costly error a business owner could make is not screening potential employees. Negligent hiring has come to the forefront of our litigious society, and it only takes a small error to open a lawsuit that can cost a business hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars in damages. Very few courts will accept excuses as to why you didn't screen your potential employee properly. The 123 employment background check is FCRA compliant. Our staff is well versed on the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the laws regarding the legalities of obtaining and the use of information we send to you. We provide you the documents and information you need to be compliant as well. Our legal team updates us continuously on the constant changing laws of the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the superseding local laws. We use state-of-the-art databases and old-school techniques so you can be confident the completed background information is verified, up-to-date, and complies with the local and national laws. If any database criminal record results come back incorrect, we help you remove those records from the database on behalf of your applicant. As with all of our searches, the first information verified is a social security number, name of the individual, address history, and the date of birth. When conducting an FCRA compliant background check, established identity is very important. Failure to establish identity can lead to a long list of non-relevant results, which may return information from someone else. You can be confident the verified results we return are for your subject. Remember, instant background checks do not verify information, they are not FCRA compliant, and they are not recommended. We include the multi-jurisdiction criminal search covering over 1,400 jurisdictions and agencies. This is a great starting point, folks, to research someone's criminal history conviction and should not be used as a sole source for criminal history investigation. If a record is returned, we send a researcher on site to verify it's up to date. When dealing with criminal record database records, the FCRA states the company must use reasonable measures to ensure accuracy. FYI, folks, there's not a criminal record database that covers all 50 states. Some companies are combining sex offender and Department of Correction records to make that coverage in all 50 states. Those can be found on the net for free. Coverage area is very important. If you're ordering a nationwide criminal record search from another company, be sure to get one. If they don't furnish a coverage area, you may want to seek another company. We have complete transparency with our searches, and you should expect nothing less when using a background check company. We search countywide criminal records. You specify the county you want searched. We send a researcher to that court to search on site for 7 years of criminal history. If you are in need of criminal records past the 7-year standard, we can obtain criminal history as far back as 20 years and beyond for a small fee of $3 per search year. The FCRA does not restrict the use of criminal convictions past 7 years for pre-employment screening. Local laws do with salary exemptions. And if you want to go down to the salary exemptions on the resource tab, you'll see that. Just click that link and it'll take you right to it. Too many companies say that there is a 7-year restriction on all states because they don't know the FCRA like we do. We scan nationwide for professional licenses. Each jurisdiction in every state require licenses to individuals who perform certain services. We search to see what licenses come back matching your applicant's information. Next is the civil suits, liens, and bankruptcies, which include judgments. We take the individual's verified information and see if there are any matching records for each of those actions. The federal government holds employers responsible if employees are eligible to work in the United States. Employers must request identification from potential employees as well as proof of citizenship or a green card that establishes the worker is a permanent resident. That's why we added the E-Verify I-9 search. The E-Verify system is a voluntary system. There are certain states that mandate its use and certain states that disallow it. You'll also see the link to that in the left sidebar. You can click on that link and get all the information you need. The E-Verify system is maintained by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service, Department of Homeland Security, and the Social Security Administration. Its sole purpose is to verify the eligibility of individuals to work in the United States. This is done by verifying documents from those 3 agencies. This part of the employment search cannot be started until the employee has worked at least 1 day and no more than 3. You can call us. We'll explain the whole process to you. This search is optional. OFAC Prohibited Party Search, which sanctions individuals and entities who may want to threaten the security of the United States. Okay, folks, if you do not have an account through 123 Verified, click the Register Now button. It'll take you to a register page. Fill out all your information. Just send us the documents we need. It takes literally 5 minutes to sign up and get started. You'll then receive a email link. Click that link and you're set to go. Actually, it takes less time to sign up than this video took to make. Okay, if you do have an account through us, just go to the login, type in your credentials, login. Okay, folks, this is your order bin. Here's where your orders are completed until deleted. You go to the Home tab, click that, go to Continue on your search, order now. Alright, folks, just wanted to direct your attention to these disclosure forms. These are needed. It accompanies your applicant's information. Print each one out. That's according to your location. We do need that for the FCRA. We won't do it without it. Here you add in your information. Come down to the past 7 box. This is where you add the amount of years. If you want any searches past the 7-year standard, say you want 11 years, we do the first 7. Then you just put 4 down there to indicate those extra years. I mentioned also about the estimated salary. There are salary exemptions in 7 or 8 of those states, and again, you can find it on the left sidebar. Employment screening is the reason. E-Verify, we just put no, and you just click the order key. Okay, you come here. This is for the billing. You indicated that you wanted 4 years past the 7. You would indicate that here. Unfortunately, some courts have excess fees, and we have no control over that. So they're imposed onto us, and unfortunately we have to pass them along to you. We don't like doing it, but there's only a handful of them, so chances are it does not affect your location. For demonstration purposes, we'll just add $25, and then we'll add to the cart. You'll come to this page. It shows that it reflects the employment background check, which is $57. The 4 years extra at $12, and the court access fee of $25 reflects the $94 charge. What you do then is go to checkout, fill out the information, and do thank everyone for watching, and I hope you catch the rest of the videos down the line. Thanks again, and have a great day.